Did you find one?
Yeah.
Wow, you found an egg. Keep looking. Where else are they? You found another one.
Basket nicely. Don't throw it in.
Put it in nicely.
Wow. Put it, Gabby. Put it in nicely, softly. Don't throw it in. Don't, let it go. Yes, all the eggs can do that.
Put another egg. There he is.
Good job.
Good girl.
Is there another one on the table? Is there another one on the table?
I don't
Not
see
there
any.
anymore.
Where'd they go?
We gotta look for it. There he is. It's on the couch.
Oh, nicely. Good job.
Good job, Gabby.
It's on all of them.
Is there any more in here?
You didn't find all of them yet. No. 1.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
There's more.
I gotta look for some more that we made. We gotta look for more that we made.
You found another one?
Yeah.
Wow. You found another one?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Is there another one on the table? No. Where is it?
I don't know.
We gotta look for it.
You're making me dizzy.
The Easter bunny.
Found all them little ones and couldn't find the big one. And another big one. Keep looking, you're doing good.
Wow.
You found another one?
Yeah.
Oh, where was it?
It's all right there.
Did you look at all the windows?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
We gotta look some more.
They're not in there, baby.
Where?
I don't know, you gotta keep looking.
Looking.
Okay. I will. I gotta look for it. We gotta look for it, Dad.
Yeah.
Is there another one? No.
I guess it's not.
Where is it?
I don't know. You gotta find big ones and little ones.
Okay. Big ones and little ones? I found one.
Whoa, how'd you find that little one?
Can you open it for me?
You need help?
Yeah.
There you go. Wow. You got cotton candy
Yeah.
and clothes?
Yeah. Oh, there's a pink one. Oh, I forgot my basket.
Totally just left it.
Where's the big pink one you said?
Oh my gosh. I got a clothes.
Wow. What is that?
A sock
It's more chalk?
Yeah.
Cool. You can go color on the sidewalk and the driveway.
I know.
Wait.
Here, leave it closed for now. Grab your eggs. Let's go find more eggs.
Okay. Let's find more eggs.
Woo-hoo.
I can't wait to see the more eggs.
Oh, I'm gonna come sit on the couch. You should check this room.
Where?
I don't know. You gotta look around. Where could they be? I think they're in here.
No.
Come.
Where are they then?
Wow.
Whoa, you found another one?
Is this yours?
Yeah.
I found it.
Wait, let's count.
Four.
One. Here, count. 1,
1,
2,
2, 3, 4.
just leave it in the basket. Okay, 4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6, 7,
8,
9.
9. Ooh, there's 3 more real ones.
I know.
Okay, let's try to look for the real ones.
Hey. Come on, Dad.
Okay.
Another egg.
Yeah, we do.
Oh my gosh, chocolate Easter bunny.
Wow.